this is Christina from Christina's Enchanted Garden Life, and I'm here today to talk to you about some of the exciting seeds and things that I got from Seedy Saturday. Seedy Saturday is an event put on by Green Venture where lots of people bring in seeds and you can do seed exchange. There's vendors, there's workshops where you can learn different types of ways to attract pollinators to your garden, different types of landscape design. Really interesting and a really fun day to attend. They do them all over Ontario, so I highly encourage you to go check them out. But I'm so excited to share so many of the seeds that I got. There are vendors, seed vendors, but a lot of the seeds you can get for free. And what I was excited about was how many seeds that are native seeds that you can get for free. So a lot of the seeds I got are pollinator friendly or host plants that's to support butterflies. So I have a lot of swamp milkweed, common milkweed, and butterfly milkweed. Nothing too unique here, but excited to winter sow those. I got some more unique native plants that I've never tried growing before. I've got some smooth oxeye. I've got some blue wild indigo, which I'm really excited to try. I've got hairy beard tongue. I'm really excited to try out ironweed. I know that's I think that's a host plant for a type of butterfly. I've got various types of goldenrod. I've got upland white goldenrod, blue stemmed goldenrod. I've got blue vervain. Got some great blue lobelia. I've got blazing star. I've got some really nice pollinator mixes that have native seeds in them. Got some gray-headed coneflower. I'm excited to try some narrow leaf coneflower. Super excited to try prairie smoke. I really want to make a pond in my backyard this summer. So I want to have some pink prairie smoke around there, around the edge. I have some white panicled aster. It's a little bit it's less aggressive than the New England aster. Some of the vendors were giving out free seeds, so I got some heirloom 4 o'clocks, which apparently bloom at 4 o'clock. And then I just got some herbs that I know I wanted to plant, some oregano. I always like getting cilantro, just for fun. I got some sweet peppers. I'll plant those now and see if anything comes of them. I got some, these are not native, of course, but I got dahlias by seed. Got some snapdragons. Those will be fun. I have some snapdragons I've started already, but those ones are the butterfly chantilly ones, so we'll see how those go. I've been planting a ton of pansies. I want to have a ton of planters of pansies, so I grabbed these. Mine are from Johnny's, but I grabbed these just to see if anything comes of them. I got some straw flower. I want to try winter sowing the straw flower because the ones that I started indoors last year didn't take off very well. So we'll see. Just reading the package. Start in spring. Yeah, these I think would benefit from winter sowing. And then just for fun, I got sesame seeds. Apparently these are really fun to harvest and they kind of look like a poppy seed head, like a rattle head. And they're really fun to harvest, so why not try that? And then what I'm super excited about, I purchased, this is a mason bee house. So this is handcrafted by Wee Bee House. His name is Joe, I believe. And this was $90. I've seen them online for over $200 and they're so much more complicated online with the tubes that you have to replace. So I liked this because there are no tubes that you have to replace. The holes are there for you, and there's glass for you to observe your bees, and you can observe them emerging. I don't know, the holes are slightly larger on one side, and I couldn't remember if that was because he said leaf cutter bees need a certain amount of millimeter sized holes compared to mason bees, and these are solitary bees, so it's nice because you unscrew the top, and in here it's a basin where in the winter time you can collect the cocoons and store them in here, and then in the spring the bees fly out this little hole. So you would put this out in the spring, and then the bees, the female will lay her eggs in here, and the man who makes these was telling me that the female bees are in the back half, and then the male bees are in the front half, and that the males come out first to go forage and all that. Super cool, something that I've been wanting to have myself, but it just seemed very daunting when I looked online. So super excited that this is something I can enjoy now too. And it also came with the tools to, in the winter time, usually around January, he said that's when you would want to take out the cocoons and put them in the top while they're overwintering, just to protect them from predators. So excited for that. That was Wee Bee House. Of course, there's always a ton of brochures and pieces of information you can learn about. Got a nice cardinal sticker. But yeah, super excited. That was so awesome. I 100% will be attending future Seedy Saturday events. And I know that today I'm gonna be doing a ton of winter sewing. So gotta collect more of my bottles. But anyway, I wanted to share this with you, and I hope you enjoyed, and go check out Seedy Saturday.